Hello everyone, I am Purnika and welcome to Sai Mother Coaching Center Koti Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the job notification of AFCAT, which represents Air Force Common Admission Test for Flying Branch and Ground Duty Technical and Non-Technical Branches or NCC Special Entry. Date for submission of online applications, which already started on 17th of November 2025 from 1100 hours to 14th of December 2025 up to 11:30 p.m. This admission can only be done through the AFCAT website. Next thing, we are going to see about the vacancies. So, for the flying vacancies, for men it is 34 and for women it is 4. SSC means Short Commission Service and PC is Permanent Commission. Next, for Ground Duty Technical for men, AEL, we will next discuss about what is AEL, what is AEM, what is PC and what is SSC. But first, now we will see about the vacancies. So for AEL, for men it is 3 and for AEM, for men it is 9. And for women in PC, for AEL it is 3 and for AEM it is 3. And for men in SSC, for AEL it is 100 and for AEM it is 38. And for women, for AEL it is 23 and for AEM it is 9. And in NCC Special Entry, there are 10% seats of AFCAT vacancies for SSC. Next thing, Permanent Commission. So now we are going to see about the Permanent Commission. So Permanent Commission, which means PC officers in Technical Branch, AEL and AEM would continue to serve till the age of superannuation in their respective branches as per their rank. And next, SSC, for men and women, the engagement period for flying branch, men and women, SSC officers is 14 years from the date of commissioning. The initial tenure for ground duty, technical and non-technical SSC officers would be a period of 10 years. An extension of 4 years may be granted subject to service requirements, availability of vacancies, willingness, suitability and merit. SSC officers are not entitled for grant of pension. Next, the eligibility criteria. So for flying branch to AFCAT and NCC Special Entry, the eligibility criteria should be, your age should be from 20 years to 24 years as on 1st January 2027. And next thing, for ground duty, which is technical or non-technical branch, your age limit must be from 20 to 26 years as on 1st January 2027. Next, we will see the education qualifications for the flying branch. The candidates should have mandatorily passed with a minimum of 50% in each in mathematics and physics at 10+2 level and BE or BTech or 4 years course from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent. And for ground duty technical branch, which is AEL, as we thought we will discuss now, it is aeronautical engineering in electronics, and these are the branches which are eligible. So some of these branches are computer engineering, information technology, electronics, electrical and communication departments. Next thing, it is the AEM. AEM, which means Aeronautical Engineer Mechanical. And these are the branches which come under Aeronautical Engineer Mechanical, which mostly probably are mechanical engineering and production engineering and manufacturing engineering. Next thing is also the metallurgical department, in which the minimum qualification is past 10+2 and BSc Physics with Physics and Mathematics with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent or 4-year graduation in Engineering and Technology discipline with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent in the following streams. The streams mainly are Electronics, Electrical, Computer Science and Information Technology. Next thing, we are going to see about the examination fee. The examination fee for AFCAT entry for flying branch, for technical and non-technical ground duty, it is 550, whereas for NCC Special Entry, there will be no application fee. Next thing, we are going to see about the subjects, the syllabus. The syllabus is general awareness, verbal ability in English, numerical ability and reasoning and military aptitude test. And the maximum number of marks are 300. 1 mark will be deducted for every incorrect answer, and for every correct answer, there will be 3 marks awarded. Next thing, we are going to see the pay. For flying officer, the pay is from 56,100 to 1,77,500. For more such job notifications, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment in our comment section. This PDF is posted in our Telegram channel. Thank you.